platform group of companies is one of the fastest growing diversified Indian conglomerates with global footprints. It is setting up offices globally and tying up with companies across the globe for multiple sectors. The company has ventured into real estate and construction, stockbroking and finance, arms and ammunition, mining, airlines and many other sectors.
Well, there's a clear rush on the D Street when it comes to IPOs, and the biggest IPO of 2024 so far has just got launched today. Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today Television. I'm Sakshi Batra, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about this biggest IPO of 2024 so far that's launched today. That's Entero Healthcare Solutions IPO. That's open today. It will remain open until the 13th of February. Now, this is a healthcare products distributor company. It caters to retail pharmacies, hospitals, nursing homes, clinics and physicians. The IPO price band is between 1195 to 1258 rupees per equity share. And with this IPO, the company aims to raise 1600 crore rupees, out of which 1000 crore rupees is through the issue of fresh shares, which will be used to fund the working capital needs of the company and also to reduce the debt levels. Currently, there is a debt of around 489 odd crore rupees on the company's books. This will be further reduced to 346 odd crore rupees. Now, the company has reserved 75% of the net issue for the qualified institutional buyers. For the net institutional buyers, there is a portion as well of about 15%, and the retail investors will get about a 10% reservation respectively. Now, the company has also reserved shares worth 8 crores for the eligible employees of the company, who will also end up getting 119 rupees per equity share of a discount as well. So, in case you're an employee, you can keep an eye on this one for sure. Now, this company ranks among the top 3 healthcare product distributors in terms of the operating income. Now, how have the company's financials panned out? The company's revenue has grown on a compounded annual growth rate of 36%. That's from FY21 to FY23, the last 2 years, financially speaking. Looking at the industry growth, the large share of the national distributors is expected to grow from 8 to 10% in FY23 to 20% when we come to 20 to 30% by FY28, and that's what is being seen as a major trigger for this company also going forward. Now, the company also has a diversified presence across 38 cities in India and 19 states. It has a customer base of over 73,700 pharmacies. About 2,800 hospitals are in its network as well. However, where is the challenge for the company? The company faces stiff competition from the other players in the same business as of now. Its business has high working capital requirements, for which the company has always relied on debt in the past. So that could be an issue even going forward once the company gets listed on the exchanges. The issue has mostly garnered mixed reviews from a lot of analysts who've been tracking the company and the stock ahead of the IPO. They do see weak financials as one bit of a concern. The company has consistently incurred losses resulting in negative cash flows and low return ratios over the past. So that has been a key concern. But on the other hand, why a majority of analysts still positive on the issue is because, and they have suggested subscribe as well, on the back of rising market share, strong expansion plans, integration plans, unique business model of the company as well. So, for example, Ventura Securities has suggested a subscribe rating to this issue, and it sees the company scaling up through smart acquisitions, transforming pharmacies, buying experience with technology and benefiting healthcare product manufacturing, pharmacies, hospitals, etc. BP Equities has also given a subscribe rating to this IPO. They do believe that the issue is valued at a price to earnings equity of 111.2 times the upper end of the price band, and on FY24 estimated earnings perspective, they feel that it is fairly valued in comparison to the peers. Now, in the grey market, the shares of Entero Healthcare Solutions are already trading at a premium of 125 rupees. Remember, grey market is an unofficial market, so such indications are only for information purpose. You should not be extrapolating any kind of an information from this suggesting that it has to get listed at this premium. No, it is just an indication which most of the market experts and analysts track just to try and understand what's the mood in the unofficial market. The expected price Therefore, based on this grey market, could be 1383, which is 10% of the issue price, the higher end at this point in time. Now, the IPO is expected to be listed on both the exchanges, BSE and NSE, on February 16. So, these are the key highlights of this IPO, and we will continue to give you all the details of how the subscription figures have been panning out for this company going forward from here as well, and whether this should be part of your portfolio or not. A lot of analyst conversations will follow, so do stay tuned on Business Today TV if you want to track Entero Healthcare more deeply.
Darwin Platform Group of Companies is one of the fastest growing diversified Indian conglomerates with global footprints. It is setting up offices globally and tying up with companies across the globe from multiple sectors. The company has ventured into real estate and construction, stockbroking and finance, arms and ammunition, mining, airlines, and many other sectors.
Hello and welcome. You're watching BT TV. I'm